Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, my dear students, today I am here with a new story from your English reader book. Chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is A Visit to Shillong. So students, what's the name of this chapter is? A Visit to Shillong. So students, Shillong is the capital of the state Meghalaya. So students, in this story we are going to read a story about a family in which 4 people, grandma, grandpa and 2 little girls, Nana and Sona, were going to visit Shillong. Shillong is a famous hill town. So students, now let's read this story and enjoy this story. Nana and Sona were going to Shillong to spend their holidays with grandma and grandpa. So students, Nana and Sona are 2 little girls. They are going to Shillong to spend their holidays with their grandma and grandpa. So students, Shillong is a famous hill town. So in this story, we are going to know about many places of Shillong. How much longer? Nana asked grandma for the 3rd time as she sat beside her sister Sona in their grandparents' car. So students, Nana is very excited to watch to reach the Shillong. So she asked her grandma how much longer the way of Shillong. She asked this question to her grandma for the third time. She sat beside her sister Sona in their grandparents' car. So students, they are going to Shillong in their grandparents' car. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours, my dear. If there was a railway station or an airport in Shillong, we would have reached home earlier, said grandma. So students, when Nana asked grandma how much longer the way to Shillong, her grandma said the drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours. If there was a railway station or an airport in Shillong, they would reached home earlier. But I love this drive, said Sona. Nana looked at the greenery. Then Sona said, I love this drive. So students, Sona is enjoying the way to the Shillong. Nana looked at the greenery. So students, Nana looked at the attractive green plants and trees. There is a valley on your side. Grandpa, please drive slowly. There is so much to see. Then Sona said, there is a valley on your side. So students, do you know the meaning of valley? What is valley? The low land between hills and mountain are called valley. So the Nana said to her grandpa to drive slowly because there is a valley on their side. Be alert, you will soon see the Umiam lake on your right. It is also called the Barpani lake, said grandpa. Then the grandpa said them, be alert, you will soon see the lake, Umiam lake at your right, and it is also called the Barpani lake. Wow! Nana and Sona shouted with joy. Grandpa, why do we come here only in summer? Asked Nana. Then, after seeing the lake, Nana and Sona shouted with joy. Wow! And Nana asked to her grandpa, why do we come here only in summer? Then grandpa laughed. We want you to be with us the whole year. However, it rains heavily during the monsoons. Then grandpa laughed and said, we want you to be with us the whole year. However, it rains heavily during the monsoons. So students, in Shillong, it rains heavily during the monsoons. The winters are really cold. March and April are the best month to visit Shillong. So students, in this story, we also know that the winters are really cold and March and April are the best months to visit Shillong. Will you take us to see the butterfly museum? Asked Sona. Then Sona asked, will you take us to see the butterfly museum? Mummy says that it has lots of colorful butterflies. So students, Sona's mothers told her that in butterfly museum there was lots of colorful butterflies. Sure, and then we can go for a picnic at Sweet Falls if you like, Grandma said. Then Grandma said, sure. Then we can go for a picnic at Sweet Falls if you like. Then the grandma say to go for a picnic at Sweet Falls if they like to go there. Sweet Falls, Sona and asked together. Then Sona and Nana asked together Sweet Falls. It means they are excited to go there. So students, remaining part of the story we will learn in the next video. So students, now you have to read this story at your home and do all the homework that is given during your live classes. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.